Good morning, friends. Welcome to another video of my poetries. Though I used to write Sher Shairis, ghazals more before, I tried to explore this form called Nazm or poetry in Hindi and Urdu. I took it as a personal challenge when I appeared for a Facebook Live with Miss Neha Kaur and expressing a poetry on a poetry. And that helped me to write something more. So thank you to Neha Kaur, my sisters Neeta and Joshna, for pushing me and encouraging me to write and share more on YouTube and other social media channels. So today I present to you another beautiful song and or a poetry. And I love the concept of 1942, a love story, a song, एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा, written by Javed Akhtar. He had written this song in just 15 minutes, thinking about his wife, Shabana Azmi, in his farmhouse. And that prompted me to think about that a particular thought like that. How can one be, a poet can be inspired and write on a particular thought? So I took that as an idea to express a song. And I will translate this at the end of this poem when it ends, and in English for other friends who do not follow Hindi, Urdu much, for their benefit. Though it will not be as poetic as Hindi, but I'll try to my best to express the feeling and the gist of that particular poem. Okay, so the title is एक बार तुझे देख लूं, एक बार तुझे देख लूं तो ऐसा लगे जैसे गम के बादल सुनहरे हो जाए, ये दिल दर्द भूल कर माँ की गोद में सो जाए, आंखों से आंसू यूं बांप बन जाए, कोई बीमार बिन दवाई के मस्त तन जाए। अगर एक बार तुझे देख लूं तो ऐसा लगे जैसे एक गजल आ जाए ख्यालों में, ढोल ताशे बजे शिवालों में, कुछ सपने यूं बुन जाए जैसे सर्दियों के स्वेटर की तरह, सुकून दे जाए कपकपाते हाथों को एक हीटर की तरह। अगर एक बार तुझे देख लूं तो ऐसा लगे जैसे लबों पे आए बड़ी सदियों के बाद एक हंसी, मौत के बाद फौरन मिले किसी को एक नई जिंदगी, बच्चे को मिले एक खोए हुए खिलौनों को पाके एक खुशी, एक काफिर को महसूस हो क्या होती है ये बंदगी। अगर एक बार तुझे देख लूं तो ऐसा लगे जैसे शौक कोई चढ़े नवाबी, शराब को छोड़ पानी मांगे शराबी, एक कातिल बन जाए अचानक जवाबी, किसी दुआ से मिट जाए हर एक खराबी। अगर एक बार तुझे देख लूं, अगर एक बार तुझे देख लूं तो ऐसा लगे वो पहली बूंदा बांदी बरसात की, वो रौनक जो सजे दूल्हे के बारात की, एक हल्की फुल्की मासूम गुदगुदी सी, एक कहानी अनसुनी अनकही अनदेखी सी। एक बार तुझे देखूं तो ऐसा लगे तू दूर है फिर भी लगे पास, उस पल को क्या नाम दे, तेरा वजूद है शामिल मेरे उसका आज, मेरे उस कल को क्या नाम दे। शुरू होती है हर शायरी आजकल तेरे ही नाम से ए सनम, तेरे नाम से जो ख़त्म हो मेरी हर एक उस गज़ल को क्या नाम दे। So I will translate this in English. If I see you once, it feels like the clouds of sorrow have turned golden, like this heart forgets the pain and sleep in mom's lap or mother's lap. The tears from the eyes turn into a vapor, and without any medicine, some sick person gets better, healthier. If I see you once, it feels like a poem comes into my mind. Musical instruments start playing in temples. Some dreams get weaved like a sweater in a cold weather. A heater gives relief to the shivering hands. If I see you once, it feels like after many centuries, a smile comes along your lips. After death, someone gets a new life immediately. A child gets the happiness finding some old toy. An atheist feels what worshipping is like. If I see you once, it feels like some habits that turns out to be royal. Leaving alcohol, a drunkard asks for water. a murderer suddenly starts giving out all the answers, and with one prayer, all the bad things just vanishes or get over. If I see you once, it feels like the first water dripping drizzle of the rains, the beauty shine of a groom's marriage procession, one light, smooth, innocent tingle, one story that's unheard, unseen, unspoken. You are far still, I feel that you are close to me. What should I name that particular moment? Where your existence is present, what should I name that today, that tomorrow of mine? Each poem of mine starts with your name nowadays, dear beloved. With your name that ends, what should I name that each poetry of mine? So thank you, my friends, for liking and loving my efforts and my creations. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Spread the love, the happiness, the joy and everything that you have done for me. Thank you for your support, love and care. Have a great day and hoping to see you soon. Next time I promise a new ghazal. So take care and have a nice day. God bless.